Hey guys, today we're going to unbox our TT02 drift spec chassis from Tamiya. We've purchased this for a project drift car, which will be a short wheelbase version, which I'll speak about as we take a few parts out. One of the things that's nice about this kit as opposed to the standard TT02 chassis is you may not get a body shell and a couple of other bits, but you do get some really useful upgrades, and we'll go through those as we take it apart. So let's have a look inside, see what we've got. As you would expect, everything's nicely packaged up. First out we have the standard bathtub chassis, Tamiya's staple for years. Very rigid. What we're going to do is a short wheelbase drift car project based on this TT02 chassis, and we're going to take a slice out the centre of this, marry it back up and make a short wheelbase drifter. Should be a bit of fun, so don't forget to subscribe and we'll show you how we do that in the very near future. All the parts are on plastic sprues, nicely presented. We've got an option part here, which is the nice brake discs in chrome to sit behind your wheels. This is the wheel set that came with this kit. Fairly standard looking wheels, I think you'll agree, but married up with the brake discs should look really trick. And of course we've got drift tyres here, so solid plastic ones, no grip, no tyre tread, no rubber, so you can drift to your heart's content. This bag has some suspension components, so wishbones, we've got some shock bodies there. You don't actually need those in this kit because this comes with oil-filled dampers, but I'll show you the bag for that very shortly. You see the blue anodised part in there. Unfortunately it's not aluminium, it is plastic, but it looks cool all the same. So the last bag, so there's not loads of parts for this kit. These are the drive cups, so they're metal and plastic parts there. This is probably the most interesting bag. In here we've got some of the nice little upgrades. So as I just mentioned, this comes with oil-filled dampers, so you've got your oil there. A nice upgrade, it helps improve handling a lot. And you can adjust the oil in it, so as well as adjusting the springs, it means that you can tune it up a little bit. It comes with a sport tuned motor rather than the standard 540, bit of more punch, and actually to be fair it's more than enough for drifting. You don't get any ESC with this kit, but again that's something most of us have got kicking around in a box, and you can buy these days for a brushed system from around about sort of £12–15. One thing that is really nice with this kit is it comes with some high quality ball bearings, so it's fully ball raced. I would say that this is one thing that if your kit hasn't got bearings you should do almost immediately. It's a win-win situation because it reduces friction, reduces wear and improves performance. Can't even have a bumper, but we won't need that because we never hit anything. And here we come to the Tamiya instructions. So these are a work of art. They got this right way back in the 80s and they've never changed the formula, and they never should. You've got full-size part references down the left-hand side and very easy diagrams for the build. This also covers various bits that don't come in the kit to allow you to complete the model, so installation of battery, body shell, electrics, etc. And at the back you'll find a parts reference just so you can double check everything if you're not sure. And that's the Tamiya TT02 drift spec rolling chassis. Thanks for looking, and please subscribe. Have a look very shortly for our video on our interesting short wheelbase drift car project, and see you again soon.